how you can join two strings, or how you can join string and numbers. What is a string first of all? So string is a non-primitive data type category. String is generally a class. It contains a group of characters, a collection of characters. That's called a string. String is a class actually in the java.lang package. Java.lang package, it's a class. So that's why, yes, we have to write a capital letter. That's the naming conventions. It doesn't matter Java created or you are going to create a new class. Follow the naming conventions of a class. And when you are creating a object for string class, you can do two ways. One is string literal, another one using new keyword. If you create object using string literal, you can put the value in double quotation mark. So you can place the value in double quotation mark. That is called string literal. So if you store in double quotation marks, that's a string literal, we call this. The string literal also you can create a string variable object. So basically strings are immutable classes. Immutability means once you assign the value, that value you cannot change. It's like a final class. String is a final class. So you cannot change the value once you assign the value. Like this, if you say string s equal to amigo. So in the memory, this is the string literal. See, double quotes, it is there. That's why this is called string literal. Where this will go and store, which memory it will go and store? In the heap memory, there is a special memory will allocate for the string literals. So what is that special memory? Let me show you. So one special memory will create. That special memory is called string literal. So this is the string literal. This whole thing is a heap. This is the heap memory. But this one is string constant pool. What do you call this? The special memory is called string constant pool. So what data will go and store here? This literal. Literal means any value if it is in double quotation mark, that is called string literal. This object is referred by this yes. So now it will come, amigo will store here. That's a one string, this entire circle, right? This is the string constant pool memory inside the heap. Like that, you can 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 also, it will go and store there. Another string literal, right? This one, another string literal. But this SC is represented by amigo, but here different variables you give S1, S2 like that. So here, the string literal always comes and store in the string constant pool memory. So why it is no separate memory for the string constants or string literals, you can ask. It's a more efficient memory. It saves the memory basically. Instead of creating object for class using new keyword, you can create object for a string class using literal also. This is a string literal value that is referred by this reference variable. So data type, the variable name equal to value. So right side is the value and you are storing in the string literal memory. It will go and store in the string literal memory. This string constant pool is available where? In the heap memory. Only for string literals, this special memory is used, not for any other thing. Okay, so that's the where the data will store all the string literals data. So can you see here string S double quotation started here, ending here. total is called string. It won't sum up here because started here, ending at this part, entire in double quotations, whatever is there, that entire thing is a string. So S contains 123 plus 456 is the string. So that's a one string. So that's how you can store. But I want to join two strings, string S and S1. S1 contains a selenium, S contains a selenium, S1 contains WebDriver. How I can join these two strings? Or how you can join string and numbers and strings. Anything you can join two strings or string plus number plus string, that plus operator you can use. To join the strings together, you can use a plus operator. So plus operator acts as a two actions purpose. When we use plus operator between strings, between two strings, the plus operator acts as a joining operator or concatenation operator. So remember that when you add strings and numbers, the result is always you'll get a string only. So these are the very clear examples I'm giving. Standards: string plus string. So these two will join and you will get the result string. The result will be string only. String plus number, you will get a string only. Number plus string, you will get a string data type. So when you use the plus operator between numbers, the plus operator acts as a addition operator. Addition operator means what? Sum, right? Those two numbers will sum up. So that's it. 2 plus 4. Both are numbers. That's why you will get this 6 with the addition operator. But when you join S plus S1, now you will get a new string, that is Selenium WebDriver. That also will go and store in the string constant pool memory. New string you'll get. That new string you have to store in another variable. So that's are you clear on this plus operator? What you call joining operator or concatenation operator? You join, even in the print statement also, you can join string plus variables. String plus any variable you can join. String plus boolean, string plus character, string plus number, string plus decimal variable. Anything you can join, you can print it. So like this. For example, suppose I have, okay, this is the different one. Let me show you. Okay, I'll come back to that. So now let's move on to how we can join the strings. See, string S3 equal to S plus S1. This is also string variable. This is also string variable. So plus operator, what is the type of action here? The joining operator. Both will join. So both will join. You will get a Selenium WebDriver. So new string you will get. So this will go and store in the new memory, in the constant pool memory. A special memory will be allocated in the constant pool for this also. Now string st equal to another variable. This st is another variable equal to Selenium. So this is the in double quotes, right? This is the one string plus. So within double quotes a space. This is the space plus I'm joining with WebDriver. Here Selenium I'm joining with a space. Space I am joining with WebDriver. How I am joining? Using plus operator. How you are joining Selenium with this space? With plus operator. See, this space was also one string, and this Selenium another string. String plus string. So that means, so the space will come here. Again, this space you are joining with the WebDriver. So you will get a new string, Selenium WebDriver with this space. But here, why there is no space? You didn't provide any space. You are joining this string, this string. That's it. That's why they both join. This string is different. this string is different. Both are different. So you catch that difference. Here the space, here there is no space. This is a different string. This is a different string. Same way, string S4 equal to S plus 2, 3. So string S is a string and 2, 3 is a number. String plus number, if you add, what is the output you will get? String only you will get. That's why S value, what is the S value? Selenium. Selenium plus 2, 3. 2, 3 will go and join with S. That is selenium 2, 3 output you will get. There is a new string. So another one, string S5 equal to S plus 2 plus 3. So see, first left to right. First between the action will happen between these two. S and 2 between action will happen. String S is a string. String plus 2. First these two will join. This plus is a joining operator. This plus is a joining operator. That what will happen? 2 will go and join with a string. This S value. What is the S value? Selenium. So you will get a selenium 2. In the next iteration, it will calculate with the 3. So this output, these two output, that is selenium 2, is a string already. Plus 3. Again, string plus 3, right? String plus number. Again, you will get a, C will go and join with selenium 2. So the output you will get selenium 2, 3. Always remember, left to right, first 2 will calculate. You observe, first one stringer, second one stringer, which one is a number, which one is a string. But string plus number, the output you will get string only. Number plus string, you will get a string only. So this concept, if you remember, it is easy for you to calculate. Now, here a note I am giving. After or before a string, all plus operators act as a concatenation operator. That means joining operators. String S6 equal to S plus bracket 2 plus 3. So here, is it same? This one and this one is same? No. First, what will happen? There is a Bodemas rule, right, in the mathematics. First, brackets 1 will evaluate first, right? Irrespective, this is the expression. This is the one expression. This is another expression. In the expression, if there are brackets, first brackets inside whatever is there, that will be calculated and you will get the output. That brackets 1 only. Now here brackets 1, is this a string or number? And these two. 2 and 3 are strings or numbers? Numbers. So numbers in between plus is a concatenation operator or addition operator?
Addition.
Concatenation operator.
Additional operator.
Bracket is concatenation.
Ayyo, why you are forgetting? When we use plus operator between numbers, the plus operator will act as what? Addition operator. What, madam? It is all mathematics, right? So between the numbers, the plus operator acts as a addition operator. So these two will addition, sum up. That's why you will get this output 5. So now next iteration, S plus 5. Now here a string, here a number. That's why this plus is a joining operator. So you will get a string will join with 5. So that's why you will get a selenium 5 output. Observe the difference here and here. Why you got here selenium 2, 3? Why you got here selenium 5? Is it clear?
Bodemas rule.
Yeah. So now here string S7 equal to 2 plus 3 plus S. Between this is the one, first left to right, right? So left to right, 2 and 3 are numbers or strings?
Numbers.
Numbers in between, the plus is the addition operator. So these two will sum up. 2 and 3 will 5 you will get 5. The next iteration 5 plus S will calculate. So you will get a 5 selenium new string you will get. 5 will go and join with S value. That S value is selenium. Next string S8 equal to 2 in double quotes plus 3 in double quotes. Now 2 and 3 here, numbers are strings.
Strings.
Strings. So strings means these two will, the plus operator is a addition or a concatenation between these two. Concatenation. So these two will join first. When you join these two, so what is the output you will get? 2, 3. 2, 3. So 2, 3 you will get. 2, 3 plus yes. So the output you will get 2, 3 selenium. This is the how you can join the strings, so numbers, so any other Boolean values, anything, string plus the value. So this is the one also you can see system.out.println how to use plus operator. System.out.println. See, S8 value is my readable statement plus the S8 value. What is the S8 value? 2, 3 selenium. It will print automatically while printing. The S8 output will print for you in the console like this. If you give like this, S8 value is plus, this is also string. String plus string. What is the output you will get? What is the output you will get? So S8 value, this is you join plus with S8 variable or a variable value you will get, only S8 you will get.
Variable plus setting. Okay.
So you won't get a variable value because if you kept anything in double quotes, that's not will be treated as a variable. So this is the variable. You should not enclose anything in double quotes. See, I just put directly in the double quotes. That means this is the another new string, right? That's what I told you. Anything you enclose in double quotes, that's going to be a new string literal. This is the new string. And this is the new string. If you enclose in double quotes, you won't get a S8 value here. So S8 only will print to it. These two joined, one new string you will get like this. Both joined one. But here, why you are getting 23 selenium? This is a variable name you are calling. This variable name you are calling here in the print statement. That means this variable value is 23 selenium. If you want to print the readable statement you kept in the double quotes and join with the plus operator, then variable name you keep. Don't keep in double quotes. Now here also see, I'm putting S8 in double quotes. S8, if you put in double quotes, that S8 only will print, not S8 value, S8 variable value. But if you don't put anything, directly give S8 value, then 23 selenium will print. That's the difference between double quotes. Anything is there, that is treated as a new string. One new string. It's not a variable. Okay. Now this is the variable name. That variable value will print to you. So here also say S plus bracket 4 plus 3. So now see, first brackets 1 will evaluate, right? So what is the output you will get here? Number plus this is a 3 is a string format. Number plus 3, string plus number plus string. You will get a string on output. So 4 3 string you will get. S plus 4 3 string. Both if you join selenium 4 3 you will get. See, this is the bigger expressions I'm giving here. So try this also. How you are going to first inner bracket will evaluate here first. You will get a 9 here. Then 2 plus 9 you will get. So string plus 9. So 2 9 you will get as a string. S plus 2 9. So like that, inner brackets, then one more bracket, then it will go here. Generally left to right will be there. See here, see if no brackets, first these two will calculate. If no bracket, first these two will calculate. If brackets are there, first it will go to brackets inside. That output will take, then left to right again. See, then left to right. S plus 5 will happen. So this is the how the calculation will happen with the strings. So that's how to join two strings. So these are all the questions I have given here, and try yourself whether you are able to answer or not, and try it out all these things. Okay. So these answers, you write and send it to me. This one. Okay. These questions. So all these questions, if you are good or no, are you able to do or not, try it out. So these are the for your practice purpose I have given. So what is the first question? So what is a data type? You know already. What are different types of data types? Declare a variable B and assign with the value false. So how you can do this one, you try. Declare a variable and assign with the value 10. So declare a variable and assign with value $. So declare a variable and assign a value 4.5. So what is the memory size of char data type? What is the memory size of byte, short, int, and log? What is the memory size of float and double? What is typecasting? So when you need to do typecasting, what is a string? How can you join two strings? S1 Java, S2 Selenium. Right below expression output. This expression output you write. And this expression output also you write. So string class is available in which package. So all this, if you read this, you'll get answer for that. Okay. So write and send it to me, all the answers for those questions.